Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you one of the apps that I've been using. It's called Acapella. It's a fun app to record certain things. Even the free version is pretty good. So as you'll see, um, here is what the app looks like. And if you do want to record, you have to click the red button here at the bottom. And once you click that, you get these four squares, but you also need to hit record new. Now, if you guys want to do like, I don't know, say one student, a flute player wants to do one or two videos, and then somebody else wants to do one or two videos, you can hit join collaboration and you can share the videos. One person will record, the other one will not. So, and I apologize for keeping the touch on, but it shows you where I'm touching. So I'm going to go with record new, and I'm going to hit new project, yes. And then you can pick whatever grid you want. You are pretty limited on the free version. I do have the paid version, but you can definitely get these. So on the free version, you get 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. I usually pick the maximum time possible. So since I have the premium version, I hit 10, but for you guys, I would hit 1, and then I would hit next. So then you get these four squares, and then you can hit the play button on any of them to start recording. So I'll click on that one. The big thing that you need to start doing, as you can see me, the big thing you need to do is hit this blue circle with the jack and change the mic input gain. For some reason, it'll be all the way over here on the right hand side. You need to bring it down to adjustable light level. If you have your headphones in, definitely hit monitor and it'll play what is recording, and then you can hear what it sounds like. If it's all the way up, you get all like a shh in the background, even though there's no noise going on. That's what gain is. It turns up the amount of sound it's trying to pick up. So turn it down as much as possible, still with a reasonable level, so you can hear what's going on. And then once you do that, you just record the four videos in each of the spots by hitting the record button, and then when you're done, you hit play. You can also go at the bottom left and click on the metronome, and then you can set a metronome click track to play as you record. So that's very useful, especially if you're using either a slow piece or something like any of the pieces. I would recommend using a metronome click track, especially if you're sharing it with another person. So I hope you enjoyed this video on Acapella, and I definitely hope you decide to use it. It's a great app, and record 4 different parts. See the example video that I posted, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.